Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So, I am Devansh from the team Young PC Coders, and we participated in one competition which was case study competition. Me and my team was there, and we had one idea of AI-driven mental health and monitoring support. So, in this we had to make an AI model which will help in mental health monitoring and it will also detect and analyze and give support to the patients. So we were actually three members, and first state was to pass a quiz in which we were around fourth or second position. I don't remember. Then after that we had to create one PPT. So this is the PPT based on the topic which was given on our case study competition. So, introduction. Mental health disorders are patterns of symptoms or psychological, behavioral, or both that cause distress and can have negative effect on a personal and social work life. Like, like it's that common that mental health definitely causes a very huge impact on our daily life as well as on our physical life. So, we need to get a proper solution of any mental problems and detect it beforehand. So, according to our study, we have found that the National Institute of Mental Health and Mental Illness, uh, it has told that mental illness affects around 1 in 5 adults, uh, and which is then among the common patients are females, young adults, and adults. So, many common mental health issues are depression, anxiety disorder, bipolar disorder, etc. And on the right side we can see that people usually think that depression is like sadness, living alone and all. It's not like that. It has many different factors: isolation, guilt, anxiety, self-loathing, hopelessness. We can see that females and males, there is a major difference between the amount of patients of mental health patients in males as well as females. 1 out of 5 men suffer depression, but in women the case is different. 1 out of 3 women suffer depression, and WHO has also cleared that there is no health without mental health, and women are actually more prone to any mental health issues because there are many factors which make women vulnerable to mental disorders, and these factors are mainly made by the society. For example, women are usually judged based on their body structure, making them meet the society born expectations, causing them mental health issues. And from our analysis, we have found that the depressive symptoms in 2021, which is the lockdown period, the amount of mental health issues have increased very large. From we can see that from 10 percentage to it has increased around 21 percentage in 2021. Because in COVID, the persons the people started consuming internet aggressively, and that intake of internet caused many different types of people started consuming different types of data, types of content, which majorly affected the mental health of the uh, and this shows that social media plays a great impact on mental health issues. Actually, on an average, a human changes their emotion 12 times an hour. But due to social media content intake, the amount has almost tripled. That is 34 times an hour. Like you can imagine changing your emotion 12 times, like from happiness to sadness, from sadness to jolly or like anything. But it is tripled around 20-34 times. Like every 2 minutes, we are changing our emotions, and it is just average, not the peak. Peak can be more than that. So emotional changes plays a major role in mental health issues. Already researched by WHO. So from our research, we have found that the social media plays a major role in impacting our mental health issues. So our problem statement was many individuals with mental health issues do not receive timely intervention due to stigma and lack of accessible resources. So we have to create an AI system that monitors users' personal mental health through the interaction, that is voice or text, and provides a real-time support and resources tailored to their needs. Objective was to promote a mental health being by offering unobstructable and accessible AI-based tool that helps detect early signs of mental health issues and provides personalized support. And like why we have to detect the mental health before? Because detecting anything before its final form or which can create a huge impact on the patient, we can definitely diagnose and diagnose it early stages to prevent that final impact which can even endanger the life of the patient. So, so our main goal is to intercept the issue beforehand. And as we have seen, the social media plays important role in affecting the mental health issue of the users. We need to tackle down the problem from there itself. By analyzing the time, content, search, and sentiments of the social media of a user, we can get a great data about the personal mood and the behavioral changes of the user suddenly. There are many ways to perform social media analysis using AI for mental health issues. So we are going to talk about those. So first is monitoring user interaction on social media platform, which is a part of detection. So first one is text analysis, analyzing the text which the user is uh, using throughout his social media interaction. And next is image and video analysis, analyzing the type of content the user is watching through video or image or audio. And the third one is natural language processing. We will utilize NLP techniques to detect signs of distress, anxiety, sadness in real time. And the fourth one is behavioral analysis. We will change the pattern or like whether activity is increased or decreased of the user or not. Then the last one is social network analysis. We will try to find the people or network in which the user feels more happy or more sad, like while interacting with them. Second part is the diagnosis using social data analyzed using social media. So first one is risk prediction. Developing a predictive models to identify users at risk of mental health issues based on historical data and current behavior. Second one is personalized feedback. We will provide proper feedback to the user of how much and where and what type of data he consumed during the social media interaction. And the third one will be our AI chat box. In this, the user can talk with our AI chat box, which we have created personalized for the patient itself. And the fourth one will be personalized content recommendation. In this, we will recommend the user type of content which he wants to watch in social media, exactly like any other movies app like Netflix, Geo Cinema, or any music app like Spotify, Geo Savan, etc. And last one will be the personal. We will make anyone can them a motivated story in which the user is the main character. So we will use the AI to make a personal main character story for that patient using his history and feedbacks. As there are many drawbacks related to our system, which first one is privacy and consent. In this, we ensure the user data which is obtained is used only for social media activity and for nothing else. And biased and fairness, we are using AI model to avoid misdiagnosis and unfair treatment. And transparency, we will show how much data we are using and what is the purpose of the monitoring of the data. Conclusion that using AI mental health issues on social media is a very great approach for early intervention and support. Techniques like NLP for sentimental analysis, computer vision for content analysis, machine learning for behavioral detection can provide valuable insights into users' mental health being. An AI-driven chat box is also can play a very great part in that. And by balancing innovation with ethical responsibility, AI can significantly improve early detection and support for mental health issues on social media, creating a more supportive digital environment. So I would like to thank you all for watching my video, and if any, they can definitely contact me on the Instagram link given below in the description. Thank you.